A group of climate change organizations have
emissions of greenhouse gases.
Climate change is now happening.
Indonesia says it's
10 million tons of.
The Philippines tops a list of countries most susceptible to hazards caused by climate change.
Ito ang dahilan ng pagkakaroon ng mga bagyong gaya ng Super Typhoon Yolanda at Bagyong Ondoy.
Man, this burger is so yummy. Let's order another one. I want more.
Me too. Let's order another. I'll have another smoothie and maybe a coffee.
I'm craving pizza. Let's order a whole one.
Let's go. Let's go.
Climate change. Impacts? Let me see. Rising sea levels. Extreme weather events. Melting glaciers. Whoa. These pictures are so intense.
Greenhouse gases act like a blanket around Earth, trapping the heat from the sun's rays.
The greenhouse effect. Trapping heat, human activities, burning fossil fuels. This is serious, I had no idea. So everything we do contributes to this. Driving, using electricity, and even eating meat. Climate adaptation.
Mangroves are a unique and vital ecosystem found in tropical and subtropical coastal regions around the world. These hardy trees and shrubs have adapted to thrive in the harsh conditions of the intertidal zone, where they are regularly inundated with salt water. Mangroves play a crucial role in protecting coastal lines from erosion and storms. Their dense root system helps to stabilize sediments and reduce wave energy. Mangroves also provide essential habitat for a wide variety of marine life, including fish, crabs, and birds. In addition to their ecological importance, mangroves also provide a number of economic benefits. They are a source of timber, fuel wood, and other products. Mangroves also support coastal fisheries and tourism. Despite their importance, mangroves are under threat from a variety of human activities, including deforestation, aquaculture, and pollution. Conservation's efforts are underway to protect this vital ecosystem.
Thank you for joining us today. Ano pong pangalan niyo, kuya?
Ako si Ferdinand Tabat.
Ayun. Coastal communities are facing significant challenges due to rising sea levels. Pwede niyo po ba sabihin sa amin ng mga epekto ng pagtaas ng tubig dagat na napapansin?
Ang napapansin namin dito, yung mga bagyo, ma-hold tide at malaking alon, nasisira ang mga coolers. Kaya nialagaan kami magtanom ng mangrove para protektado ang aming kabahayan nga hindi masisira.
Salamat po. Ano po ang mga solusyon na naisip nyo nga po para masolusyonan ang mga problema ito?
May hinihiling lang namin nga sana yung mga tanim na yan hindi sisirain sa mga ibang tao, hindi papatayin, kailangan siya palakihin para sangga sa mga malakas na hangin, hindi na mainangat na dumating. Kahit na malakas ang hangin, basta na ikaharang ang aming mangrove, yan ang aming hinihiling sa Panginoon nga sana mabubuhay ang aming mga papananim.
Mangrove restoration is crucial. Pwede niyo po ba sabihin sa amin kung paano nakakatulong ang inyong komunidad sa pagpapanatili at pagpapanumbalik ng maayos na bakawan?
Ang paglilinis namin sa araw-araw sa aming kabakawan, tinatanggal namin mga dumi para mas malago siya ng aming mga pananim dito. Pero kahit sila ang pupunta dito, makikita nilang mga pananim namin dito sa Barangay Talaw-Talaw, Lucena City.
Salamat po kayo. Thank you for sharing your valuable insights. The resilience of coastal communities depends on these adaptation efforts. Thank you po.
Salamat po.
Let's try this another video. The earth provides. From the sun-drenched fields of summer to the frosty breath of winter, life finds a way to thrive. Farmers, the stewards of our land, cultivate the bounty that nourishes us all. But the earth is changing. The climate is shifting, bringing with it new challenges. Droughts purge the soil, while floods threaten to drown crops. Extreme weather events wreak havoc on livelihoods and communities. Yet, hope remains. Farmers are adapting, finding innovative ways to work with a changing climate. They are embracing sustainable practices, conserving water, and developing resilient crops. The power of technology and collaboration offers new opportunities to meet these challenges. Precision farming and eco-friendly innovations are transforming how we grow and harvest food. Communities are sharing knowledge and supporting local agriculture to strengthen food systems. Together, we can ensure that humanity and nature thrive side by side. At the heart of this movement is a shared responsibility. Consumers do play an important role by supporting sustainable products and reducing food waste. By making conscious choices and advocating for environmentally friendly policies, we contribute to a global effort to protect our planet. The future of agriculture and the earth itself depends on the collective action of individuals, communities, and nations, united for a common cause. The role of education in this transformation cannot be understated. By equipping farmers and communities with the knowledge and tools they need, we empower them to make informed decisions that benefit both the environment and their livelihoods. Schools, organizations, and governments must work hand in hand to promote awareness about sustainable practices and climate resilience, ensuring future generations inherit a planet rich in resources and possibilities. One inspiring example is a farm that has found smart ways to adapt to the changing climate. Located on fertile land, the farmer uses both old and new methods to grow strong, healthy crops. They collect rainwater to make sure nothing is wasted, and use solar panels to power their tools and machines. The farmers also practice crop rotation and make their own compost to keep the soil healthy without relying on chemicals. These farmers not only feeds the community but also show how simple changes can help farming work better with nature. Together, we can build a future where agriculture thrives and the earth continues to provide for generations to come.
So, magandang hapon po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsali sa amin ngayon, Mang Udi. So, ang tanong ko po ay, paano po naapektuhan ng pagbabago po ng klima o panahon ng inyong gawa sa pagsasaka o sa mga tanim po ninyo?
At ganitong panahon, taglamig, tag-ulan, daan ng tag-ulan. Tapos, yung katulad namin may mga tanim ng mga gulay, tulad ng kamuti, yung ganyan. Karaniwan sisira. Unang-una, ang katulad ng patula, yan ay hindi makabunga dahil maulan, talo ng lamig, naluluod. Ang kamuti naman, siyempre, pag nagtag-ulan, lalo na ito kayo na nabubulok naman. Hindi man mahukay dahil tag-ulan. Hindi mo ma-harvest.
Ano pong mga estratehiya o paraan po ang ginagamit ninyo po upang umangkop sa mga nagbabagong kondisyon na ito? Ano po yung mga ginagawa niyo?
Nakatay kami ng magandang panahon.
At ano po ang ilang mga napapanatiling mga kasanayan sa pagsasaka na nasa tingin mo po ay makakatulong na mabawasan ang epekto ng pagbabago ng klima o yung sa pagtatanim? Ano po yung mga nakakatulong?
Yung dapat yung sakungan. Katulad yung kukunay sa gubat, yung nagtatanim na puno. Unang-una kahoy. Yan. Dalawa yung mga prutas. Yan, yung mga gano'n nagtatanim. Yung katulad yung ginagawa ko dito, gano'n. Nagtatanim ng prutas para pananggar sa lamig, init, yung gano'n.
Paano sinusuportahan ng inyong pong komunidad o ng nasasakupan po ang mga pagsisikap na ito? At paano po masusuportahan ng mga manonood sa bahay ang mga lokal na magsasaka at napapanatili ang agriculture? Paano po kayo nasusuportahan po ng mga komunidad o yung nasasakupan po natin?
Ay, sarili sikap lang namin. Sarili namin diskarte. Hindi kami humihingi ng tulong sa gobyerno, kahit sa barangay, hindi. Sarili namin. Kung kailangan namin ng abono, kami lumalapit siya. Kung may mahingan, nanghihingi. Pag wala, bumibig kami.
Ay, hindi po kayo nagamit ng alternative na sipot po ng manok, yung mga ganun?
Ay, hindi. Hindi na po gumagamit. Ang ginagamit namin din yung fertilizer na katulad ng yung 3 katok. Yung ginagamit.
So yun lang po, salamat po sa pagbabahagi ng inyong mahalagang kaalaman at ang pagtangkok sa pagbabago ng klima ay nangangailangan ng pagbabago at pakikipagtulungan ng komunidad.
There are different ways to adapt to climate change, and I think it is best if we mitigate.
Hello, Kian.
Kian.
Guys, I realize that we are doing contributes to climate change, and I think we should start changing our habits. Let's start today.
Let's start today.
Sorry, I'm gonna leave. I'm driving so far. Tell me why you coming to me and say you want me again. Never wanna lose me, 'cause I'll be missing you. 결국 또 너야 난 그래서 네가 좋아 또 내게서 멀어져 갈까봐 조심스러워 Never enough just for a night I got a lot of things gotta tell you all night long Promise I'll never leave you alone again Take you into my loving arms and I'll look into your eyes Then I'm gonna whisper just how beautiful you are
I realize how much our daily actions impact the environment.
Me too. I'm going to stop at transportation more often. And I'm going to switch to LED lights and start composting.
I'm going to join the environmental club on campus.
Our planet is our home, and it's up to us to take care of it. Every action we take, no matter how small, makes a difference. Start by keeping your surroundings clean. Avoid littering and pick up trash when you see it. Protect our oceans, rivers, and forests by reducing waste and recycling whenever you can. Planting trees is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to help the planet. Trees give us clean air to breathe, shade to keep us cool, and homes for countless animals. Even planting one tree can make a difference. Imagine if everyone planted one tree, the world would be so much greener. Let's also remember to respect nature. If we protect wildlife and their habitats, we help maintain the balance of life on Earth. Use resources wisely, like water and electricity, because wasting them affects everyone. Together, we can create a healthier, greener planet. It starts with us. So take action today. Plant a tree, care for your surroundings, and inspire others to do the same. A better future is in our hands.